Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna actually talk about any animatable, and also we gonna create a project for progress circle animation. Actually, we try to perform animation in our SwiftUI project. So Animatable Protocol get available from iOS 13 plus, and it's defined a type that can be animated. The only value the protocol contain is animatable data, which is associated type of vector arithmetic. So let's go to our project and see what we are talking about. So the whole project going to be this file, and you will see that in our content view what we do, we write a structure of animatable circle, and then we modify body of our content view to show this circle and this rectangle in its in a center of our screen. And when we run it, it's gonna be animation like this. Okay, so let's go to project and start it. So I'm gonna create a new project, file, a new project, and in this project I'm gonna select a single view app, and user interface gonna be SwiftUI, language Swift. And okay, so about the name, I name it Animatable Circle. Zero one. So as soon as I create this, also I check GitHub, because I'm gonna push it in GitHub to be available for you guys. So as soon as we begin, we will have one hello world project, and if we some our preview, we will see our hello world screen. Okay, so this is our initial project, but what we want to do, we want to add a new structure by the name of Animatable Circle. And we conform it by protocol shape. So as soon as we conform it by shape, says okay, if you want to do shape, you need to conform to this protocol. You need to have path function in your structure, so we put it there. So for a field, I will add progress from type of CG floats. So I done this. Okay, so for paths, I'm gonna first of all create center X from type of CG float, and which is equal rect dot width divide by 2. So it's going to be center of X, and center Y is going to be from type of CG float equal rect height divide by 2. Okay, so now I create my path. So path equal path, but I'm gonna customize this. So I just say this path dot add arc. So here you will see add arc of a circle to the path specified with a radius and angles. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this, and now I'm gonna say what gonna be. So center gonna be CG point of X and Y from type of CG float, and for this one center X and center Y, yeah. And for radius I just say 45, angle from angle degree minus 90, and end angle start was that one, and end angle again gonna be angle from degree. So what gonna be 360 times double of progress. And finally clockwise, no. Okay, so now I just need to return this. So yeah, before end of this function I'm gonna return these paths. Here I got error of this, and cy rect that width divide by 2, so I need to put a space between these two. Okay, so our animatable circle structure is ready. Now what I need to do, I need to go inside my content view, delete in this hello world, and start to put my items in there. Okay, so what I do here, I put the one ZStack. So let's see what is the ZStack, a view that overlays its children, aligning them in both axes. Okay, so ZStack, and so what gonna be inside this? The first element I put in there is a circle. and attribute of my silker, I start to do that. So dot stroke line width 6 dot frame width, height, and alignment. So for width 90, height 90, alignment, I'm gonna delete that. Okay, next one, dots foreground color. So what's color for foreground? I'm gonna say color, and which kind of color? I put system gray 6. So this is gonna be color. So I'm done with my circle. Now I'm gonna put one rectangle in there. So rectangle and attribute of this, so gonna be frame. So what's gonna be frame of that? 24 and height 24. Alignment, I don't need that. And foreground color is color of that system indigo. I put it that, and finally corner radius. So corner of this rectangle, I give radius 2 to make it a little bit radiuses. Okay, so and finally my animatable circle, I put progress for that. So animatable circle with progress, because here I says it's gonna have a progress. So what's gonna be progress? I put in there progress with small p, should be. Okay, so here I get error because I need to use one wrapper, property wrapper by the name of state. So let's see what is this state. I will make a video for this. You can find the link around here. And so this is a property wrapper type that can be read and write a value managed by SwiftUI. So this is for communicate with that. So and stat is just for internal variables. So I make it private because I don't want others can change it, other classes. And so variable progress from type of CG float, so initial value is 0.0. Okay, so this should go, yes. And now for this animatable circle, I start to write attribute. So stroke from width and height. So stroke style, and so yeah, not this one. I need to delete this again. So stroke, yeah, stroke style, yeah, this one. And so here I need to declare that. So I use stroke style function, and here I give it, line width. So line width, I give it 6. Line cap, I give it round. Line join, I give it to be round. Okay, for others I'm gonna delete them. Okay, other one, it's gonna be frame. So what is the frame? Frame gonna be 90 to 90, no alignments. Okay, and next one gonna be foreground color. I use color of .sys Indigo. And animation now. So what's gonna be animation? Gonna be animation. Yeah, animation dot ease in and out dot speed. So what gonna be speed? I use 0.25. And finally dot on appear. So self dot progress. So appear by self dot progress. Equal 1. Okay, so I made this, but yeah, let's run it and see what it's gonna be. So I'm gonna try to see preview. Here we go. But you will see it's not animated. Yeah. So it's not animated. Why? Because we need to go to our animated as animatable circle, and here we create a variable by the name of animatable data. We have this variable, but this variable from type of cg float. Okay, and I put getter and setter for get and set for that. So get my progress and set progress equal new value. Okay, now let's try it. Yeah, we had some major change, so we need to tap on reason. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so let's run it one more time. Yeah, you'll see animation, and that circle start from here to here, and all gonna be controlled by this. We have a path, animatable data, and progress. Okay, so that's it for today. For next video, we will go for progress, animatable modifier, and we replace our rectangle with one percentage text to see percentage of the progress as well in our inside our circle. I hope you like this, and so please don't forget to subscribe and watch our next video. We are always open to question and any correction you find we need to do. Have a good one. Bye.